Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit your Shopify store footer. Now if you don't know where you can find this section, all you need to do is open your Shopify, log into your account, go to online store, and then here you will see your current theme or the themes that you're currently using for your online store. Now you will see this customize button right here. Tap this. On the left side, you will see your own page. You will see here template and then footer. So you just have to click this add section right here if you want to add section to your footer. And basically, you can just add it first before adding section. This is what it looks like. You can edit the theme, color, you can edit the font style. So you can change the appearance here, or you can delete this one if you think that this is unnecessary. Now to add, just tap on add section and you will see here the elements that you can add to your footer. So if I'm going to tap on add section, you will see here you can add contact form, email sign up, and so on. You can also add here a custom liquid. All you need to do is to copy that code or URL and then paste that to the custom liquid section. Apart from that, you can also add here something like FAQ if you want. So you can just basically edit this one. So as you can see, frequently asked question, your customers can probably see this once they visit your Shopify store. And also you can add application here to your footer, but you need to install applications from your Shopify store. So this is the easiest way and how to edit your footer. Again, just go to your Shopify, go to themes, customize, and then go to footer section, edit the section or add applications, contact forms, email sign up, and so on here. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.